This is the Hyatt place, and yes, I think this is a dual brand property. This place is pretty new, and these are the elevators here.
Yes.
And they're Thyssenkrupp.
Thyssenkrupps.
Yes, we do. See how high we can go.
Nope, 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 nope.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Guess we're stopping place.
4-2, going up.
Huh. Interesting.
Guessing these are, I think these are Evolution as well.
Yeah, they are, definitely.
4-3.
Alright.
I think this are parking. Yeah, these are parking floors.
Yep. Here's Jay.
This Julian. Look at the floor. Very actual.
Alright, you want to send it up to 3?
1. Going up.
Yeah, I'm not gonna close the door.
Four,
Not hitting the buttons. That happened to me one time when I was in Atlanta.
Just push 1.
Wait.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
Yeah, we're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
– 17 floors.
4-1.
Alright, you want to head out?
Here.
Alright. And well, that's gonna be it.
Yep.